In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to withdraw your SOL from Phantom Wallet and convert it into real cash straight to your bank account. Whether you're new to crypto or just need a refresher, this guide is designed to make the process straightforward and easy to follow. First things first, you'll need to open your Phantom Wallet. You can do this using either the browser extension or the mobile app, whichever you're more comfortable with. Once you've got that open, ensure that you're on the Solana network and that your balance is clearly displayed. This will set the stage for a smooth transaction. Now that you've got your wallet ready, you'll notice a Send button at the bottom of the app. Go ahead and tap on it. This is where you'll decide how much SOL you'd like to withdraw. You have the flexibility to send a partial amount or the full balance. The choice is entirely up to you, so whether you're making a small transaction or clearing out your wallet, you're covered. The next step involves pasting your exchange address. At this point, you need to head over to your chosen crypto exchange platform. This could be Binance, CoinsPH, or any other platform you plan to use to cash out. Ensure you get the deposit address specifically for Solana, SOL. A quick tip, always double-check that it's for the correct network to avoid any mishaps. With your address safely copied, head back to your Phantom Wallet. Double-check all of your transaction details here, especially the amount and the address, to make sure everything is accurate. Once you're confident everything is correct, go ahead and tap Next. Confirm the transaction within your Phantom Wallet. You'll be glad to know that SOL transfers are typically fast. You should see the funds in your exchange wallet in just under a minute. Once your SOL hits your exchange account, it's time to sell it for pesos, PHP. Most exchanges make this part easy. Simply select the Sell option, enter the amount of SOL you want to convert, and then confirm your decision. It's usually a